Hey everyone, Amateur Developer Tries Game Development here with another update, and as you probably guessed by the video's length, it's a short one. So without boring you with all the details, I didn't actually end up getting to work on the game all that much since the last upload, and while I did make decent progress on one of the bugs, the other two were left mostly untouched. But since I took the vow to release an update weekly, I figured I could at least go over the bugs again and actually talk about how I'm planning on fixing them. Not saying that it's going to work, just saying it's what I think will fix them. Starting with the bug that I actually made progress on, which was the health bar. Now, I actually managed to fix the error that was happening because of some clutch comments, and I also found out that I called the wrong variable in one of my functions while I was going over it again, and those two alone were enough to fix the error I was having, but now I have a new one. From what I know, a value type float is just any variable with a decimal point, so if I were to just take a guess off the top of my head, I would guess that the health bar is probably just mad that my health bar variable is able to dip into decimal points because my health bar can't. So I'm gonna start looking there when I try and fix it. The other bug that I think I might know the fix to is the gun detection messing up. And I still think this is caused by everything being on the same layer. So what I'm gonna try and do is just rework my layer system to where my walls are on layer 1 and then everything else is on layer 2. Now I did mention in the last video that I did try this before and it didn't work, but I think the reason it didn't work was because my player was still on layer 1, which might have had something to do with messing it up. I'm not sure. So, what I'm thinking right now is if everything works while it's on layer 1 and the walls are turned off, then it should work while everything is on layer 2 and the walls are on layer 1, since that way they won't all be connected. As for the other two bugs I found, I'm not entirely sure how to fix them because I haven't had a good chance to look at them yet. First, there's the bug with what's going to be the XP dropping code. I know from the test that I did in the last video that the part that grabs the enemy's positions when they die works, but not the part that spawns the XP, or the bullet in this case. I had originally put the bullet scene in to test it since my XP scene didn't actually have any code in it yet, but now that I'm thinking about it, that might have not been a good idea because all the information that the bullet isn't getting might be messing it up. For example, the rotation. So I'll just have to do some more tests on that. Yeah, that's all the bugs I got, and pretty much all I have for this update. I know it was short, but hopefully you at least have like a good idea of where I'm at right now, and my plans for how I'm going to try and tackle these bugs. But yeah, thank you for watching to the end, and I'll see you guys next Monday. Peace.